Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's see what's inside. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." You're welcome. Okay. It looks like it's for food, but it's not. Or actually, maybe it's a compost bin that fits on your kitchen countertop. This is a container here. Some anchors for something. Two pieces of styrofoam, another anchor probably. It says, "Thank you, dear customer. Thanks for choosing our products." Thank you, and then contact info. More styrofoam. There's a lid. Doesn't tell you how to use it. Yeah, I guess you just put your compost in here. You just put this here, and it should seal. And whenever it's ready, full, dump it in fertilize your garden. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.